Doing a multicolored stencil look can make a huge difference in transforming your room. Hey guys, and welcome to today's episode of Stencil Me 101. If you've been watching our channel, you know we've done a lot of monochromatic and even duochromatic looks, as well as a few really multicolored looks, and those are my personal favorite because they have so much pizzazz and they truly have a dramatic room transformation, whether it's on your tile or your walls or in any kind of item. And so today we're going to really dive in on how to best do a multicolored look and balance all those colors. First off, I always like to start out by testing my color palette on a piece of paper or cardboard, so I already have an idea of how my color choices are going to pair together. And when choosing my colors, I try to think about the space or the room that I'm painting in and how I can incorporate different colors that already exist in the space into my color palette. And then the second and most important step is to have a different brush for each color you're going to be working with. This will ensure that your colors stay separate and don't get mixed together throughout the stenciling process. Additionally, you want to assign each brush to each color depending on the size of the area that color will be filling. For example, this blue is going to fill in the lines on our design, so I'm using a thin flat brush which fits the area we are filling in, whereas in comparison for this tile design, my color is filling in a much larger area, so I'm using a larger circular brush. And if you're worried about staying in the lines and not getting the colors in the wrong areas, you can use paper or tape to block off the areas you're not currently stenciling. If this is your first time stenciling with multiple colors, also know that it can take longer than if you were just to use one or two colors, so make sure to set aside enough time to complete your stenciled area really well, and know that the room may be out of commission for a few days if you plan to only stencil for a short period of time each day. Additionally, to spice up your stencil look even more, you could change the colors you're using or where you're placing the colors throughout the stenciling process so you have a really varied and unique look. And if you follow all of these simple steps, you can definitely have a really complex, unique look for the fraction of the cost of buying expensive wallpaper or tile. So I would really recommend trying a fun, multicolored stenciling look. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.